Good afternoon, folks. Dan the Drone Man, Solid Rock Auto Group, coming from downtown Garrettsville, heading towards our dealership. If you follow the road, you're going to see the drone took his way in. We're going to be on your right-hand side as you are traveling southbound on 88. Give you a view coming in up the driveway. Look at the trucks, the SUVs, the cars. Obviously, we have financing available for all credit needs. Give us a call, 330-527-4444, or look us up on the web, solidrockautogroup.com. Have a great day.